Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get your free EIN for your business. So let's get started. So first things first is open your Chrome browser and search for IRS EIN. When you search, make sure you're on the official IRS website that ends in .gov. Check that the URL starts with IRS.gov. To make sure it's the right site, quick note: the IRS website is only available from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, so make sure you're applying during these hours. And once you're on the site, click Apply, then click Begin Application. Next is you'll need to choose the type of business that you have. And most people pick LLC, but you can choose whatever works for you. I'm picking LLC, so click Continue. Now you'll see some information. Read it if you want, then click Continue. Next is you'll need to tell them how many people are in your LLC. Since it's just me, I'll put 1. But if there are more people in your LLC, put the right number. Then choose the state where your LLC is located and click Continue. On the next page, read through the information and click Continue. When you're ready, now you'll pick the reason you need an EIN, and I'm choosing starting a new business, but pick whatever applies to you, then click Continue. Now you'll fill in your details as the person in charge of the LLC. Type in your name and contact info, then click Next. Since I can't show you the next step because I don't have an SSN in the US, I'll explain on the next page. You'll just need to fill in your street address, city, state, zip code, and your phone number. If your mailing address is different from your business address, say yes and fill that out, and then click Continue. Now for section 4, you'll need to type in the name of your LLC exactly as it appears on your documents. If you have a business name or DBA, doing business as, fill that in too. Don't leave it blank. Make sure that the county and state of your LLC match the info on your documents. So if your LLC was formed in California, make sure to select California. Then put the month and year your LLC was formed, and then click Continue. Next is you'll answer some questions. Once done, click Continue again, and then after that, choose the category that fits your business. If none of the options work for you, choose Other, then click Continue. So on the next page, you'll choose how you want to get your EIN confirmation letter. You can get it online or by mail. I'll pick online to get it right away, then click Continue. We're almost done. On the last page, double check all your LLC info. When everything looks good, click Submit, and then your EIN will show up in a PDF, and all you have to do is click Save, and that's it. You now have a free EIN for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.